Ahlan, I'm Mama Miro, and we're here to continue the volcano. Hi Lulu, you're my assistant. What is this called?
Volcano.
A volcano, that's right. And we made it out of clay last time, الدور اللي فات. And this time, oh, can you come this way, sweetie pie, so our friends can see too? All right. So this time it's dry. Touch it. Right? نشفة. Oh, a little bit still of brown. What's brown بالعربي? What's brown بالعربي? بني.
Bunny.
صح.
No. Almost.
النهاردة, today, we are going to make the volcano have lava inside. And what color is lava, Lulu?
Brown.
No. Red. أحمر. ممكن تقولي أحمر? Okay.
Open it.
Now make sure you do this with an adult so that you don't get messy. And wear an apron,
Okay.
if possible. So this is dye. We just need a few drops.
Okay.
Can we count them?
Yeah.
1, 2,
2,
3. And then 3 more, but we'll say it بالعربي, okay?
Okay.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
شطورة لولا. Wow. Careful. I know, it's fun. So now we're putting baking soda.
Oh,
Can you come this side?
Yeah.
You're going to pour it. Be very careful. We're going to try and fill it up. هنملاها. Oh, it's okay to have a little bit spill. All the way. This was a 1/4 cup. This is going to be a big explosion. Come over here, sweetheart. You ready? This is vinegar. Vinegar بالعربي is خل.
Here.
تعرفي تقولي خل؟
Here.
خل. خل.
Here.
Yeah, خل. So now we're going to pour a little bit. But first, let's put a few more drops of red on top. What's red بالعربي?
Red.
أحمر. أحمر.
Ahmar.
Okay, ready? Okay. هنحط كم نقطة? How many? How many drops are we going to put?
Oh. Look.
Oh, let's show them. This is red. أحمر.
Ahmar.
That's okay. We can wash our hands. Oh, Mama has some too. Ready? 1, 2, 3. بالعربي. 1, 2, 3. حلو أوي. Good job. All right, now we're going to pour the vinegar. But because it can be messy, I'm going to pour it very slowly, okay? Ready? Come on this side. So if it's messy, we might want to step back a little bit. Lulu steps back. Ready?
Wow. Wow. We touch it?
There you have it. You can touch it. It's fine. It's just vinegar and baking soda. And then the red color makes it the color of
Red.
lava. Red.
Red.
And بالعربي, what's red? أحمر. Oh, it's messy. We should have some paper towel. You want to put some more vinegar?
Yeah. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. I want to put more vinegar.
You want to put more vinegar?
Yeah.
قولي خل.
Have.
خل is vinegar. Ready? Okay. Right? You gonna put it or Mama? Oh, wow.
Going around and round and round and round. I want more vinegar.
قولي كمان.
Come on.
كمان is more بالعربي.
Red.
You ready? Wow. Now what's different between this and real lava?
Red.
When you touch this, is it hot or cold?
Cold.
Right, but what is lava? Is lava hot or cold?
Cold.
No, it's hot. Lava is red and hot. أحمر وسخن. تعرفي تقولي سخن؟
So.
سخن is hot. ساقع is cold. Is this cold? ساقع. ساقع.
Cold.
Cold. ساقع.
I want to put on.
Here we go. Well, this is a short video for Mama Miro, but we'll be back later with more fun things.